Hi guys, welcome to your 2019 Valentine's makeover with me, Mandy from Aphrodites. Valentine's is in the air. I'm sorry, I've just been checking confetti for the last 20 minutes. I'm a big kid. Okay, so yeah, I look like I've been ill for days and days and days. So I'm going to start with a dewy base. I like to start with Marc Jacobs Coconut Hydrating Primer. Because it feels so good on my skin. I'm gonna let that sit for a second. Okay, so I'm gonna prime the eyes first, just with a concealer. Any concealer will do. I'm using this one by Fenty. Small buffing brush. I'm just gonna The great thing about the Fenty concealer is it dries down really quickly, so you don't have to powder on top so hard. Crazy, looking crazy, you. I'm going to be switching between a couple of palettes. This one by Urban Decay, the Born to Run palette, because it has some great shades in there. I'm going to start with a really light neutral color in just above the crease. Born to Run palette and the pink, the light matte pink, and this the light matte pink. And Revolution, Makeup Revolution have this really cute palette with all these really bright shades in them. I mean, these are pretty. So my above the crease I'm using this pink here called Fearless. Because girl, I'm fearless. Just to set my outer corners of my eyes. I swear, this typically looks like a complete mess until you've finished. So right now it looks like I've bopped myself in the eye a few times. So just going back to what I've been doing. God, this pan has a lot of fallout. I'm still using the Revolution Pro Crazy palette, and I'm kind of switching between these colors to get a light to dark gradients, and I'm putting a bit of depth in my crease right now. So I'm going to be going back and forth doing that a little bit until I've perfected it. So I only realized in the last year that I don't have a symmetrical face. Okay, last year and a half or so, I don't have a symmetrical face. So actually, when it comes to doing eyeshadows, I have to do it slightly different to each eye, because this one's more raised than this one. Now that I've pointed it out, you're gonna be staring at my face pretty hard. But yeah, so anyway, as I was saying, it looks crazy until the end. So I'm trying to make sure I can get the color pattern balance on each side. Say hi to her. Yeah. Wow. I know.
2,000 years later.
Thank you.